we have some straight fire for you here today. Hi and welcome back, everybody. Hope you all are having a fantastic day out there. I got a great video for you here today. All I ever ask is if you like talking about XRP, XLM, digital assets, and getting these updates, drop an X in the comment section below. Smash that like button so we know. And of course, share this content. Let others around the world know what is truly happening in this digital revolution as we see an overall global cryptocurrency market up on the day, 1.47% on the day respectively. Global market cap sitting at 1.3 trillion, that is. And we've got an XRP up 1.25, 61 cents for XRP, and a stellar XLM just above 12 cents, sitting flat on the day. Now, Ripple Swell 2023 is giving movement to the likes of three coins in particular, and that is Link. I think a lot of you have probably seen Chainlink move quite substantially recently. Also Solana and XRP. XRP has been doing very well. So what's fueling the rally? Well, we've got anticipation rising with widespread IPO rumors. Ripple IPO rumors could be just days away, and the impending SEC lawsuit briefing at the forefront of crypto discussions, which we are looking for something, potentially a settlement on the 9th is what we are looking at, that date just coming right around the corner. Then parallels are also being drawn between ongoing developments and the significant events that transpired in the cryptocurrency world back in 2023. Now, Ripple CEO and SEC Chair Gary Gensler to share a stage. Everyone is talking about just how extremely hilarious this is. And intrigue awaits as Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse and SEC Chair Gary Gensler are set to speak at DC FinTech Week 2023, slated between November 6th and November 9th. So I've been talking about how extremely important November is going to be for price action, these digital assets, but also events like this are going to be just kind of comical to watch as we see John Deaton come out with a statement, pro XRP lawyer, right? Comes out and says, Bank of International Settlements should let me moderate this event, allowing me to ask questions. I guarantee you it would get plenty of eyeballs, because I think we all have things that we would like to talk to Gary Gensler about and ask him, as he just bobbles back and forth and does a dance around all the really important questions out there as he tries to help Wall Street and his Wall Street buddies. Now, historical precedent from an indicator. We've got an XRP analyst, talking about potential rally to $149 as average sentiment records bullish crossover after 2 years. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to $149, but basically what this is saying is looking back at 2018, January, right, where this coin, XRP that is, went from about a fraction of a penny, 0.005 to 2 cents, and then blasted all the way to all-time highs of $3.31. And a lot of people are looking at this. I'm not trying to be a moon boy out there saying we're going to have this massive pop, but just understand that it has happened in the past. And what this particular technical analysis analyst is saying is that it looks as though it is the same type of indicators that we had back then. So definitely something to at least look at. And so other experts coming out, this article came out today saying XRP investment has bigger potential than the opportunity of stocks like Amazon, Apple, and Netflix back in the day. And I 100% agree. As we take a look at this emerging market, cryptocurrencies like XRP are so extremely undervalued when you take a look at what they are doing globally, right? Because we've got stocks just traded on American stock exchanges doing thousands and thousands of percents and still moving up after 5 years of being on the market. Stocks like Amazon, Apple, and Netflix, this article talks about how they were going extremely crazy 5 years after being listed. And so XRP, I believe, and XLM, of course, are slated. Once we get that next bull run, people are going to get absolutely ridiculously rich off these coins. Now, this is my personal opinion, right? But this is 100% what I believe. Also, bank problems once again. No advance notice or warning is given according to FDIC. Get your money out of banks now as we see collapses and problems like Citizen Bank, which is a huge, huge bank, right? More problems. Then we've got Elon Musk coming out saying none of his companies will ever create a crypto token because the crypto tokens that he wants to use are already on the market. I do not see a world in which he won't use XRP and XLM as he works extremely close, is partners with Jed McCaleb. I've been on record saying that a few different times, but of course he's going to implement Dogecoin on X. I completely foresee that as he's turning X into a financial hub over the next year. Really, he said by the end of next year, he'll take a look at the platform X, and it will look as though it is a one and all app. You know, financial infrastructure will be there, and he's saying there will be no need to have a bank, and he's going the digital currency route. Ripple, digital assets allow transparency, proof of ownership, and available. This is a 1 minute explanation. I like how they're doing this on X. And if you don't already follow me, it's just at moltmoney on X. Give me a follow over there. But they got a little 1 minute breakdown on how these three aspects, transferability, proof of ownership, and availability, are all available in digital assets. And so that's why it is really frustrating for you and I out here that understand cryptocurrency, understand digital assets, and you still to this day have individuals out there talking about how it's all a scam. That's okay though, because we are early and we are the ones that will reap the benefits. Now, big problems in the mortgage industry. Mortgage demand is now down 50% in pre-pandemic levels. That is the lowest since 1994. So I've been talking about a bubble for some time now. I think if you are looking at getting in that sector, it's about time to start thinking, because I think, at least looking, because I think we're ready for that crash. It's right around the corner. It's a market just like any other. But at this point in time, cryptocurrencies like XRP and Xlm are going to give you the best bang for your buck, in my personal opinion, as they are still extremely undervalued. And this market's easy to get in, right? You can put in $1,000 and make a ton of money in a bull cycle just by getting in these assets. Now, obviously, I would say put in risk what you plan to lose if you're especially getting into meme coins, not utility driven like XRP, XLM, Algo, HBAR, Quant, things of that nature. Pretty safe blue chips, but also understand risk involved. However, what other market can you throw $1,000 at a cryptocurrency and get hundreds of thousands in return, which is what is possible in this market? A lot of people have done it, and a lot of people will do it. Breaking news out of Gold Telegraph: Qatar signs a 27-year gas supply deal with China's Sinopec, China and energy. Now, we're going to talk about China and Ripple in just a moment too, but understand what's happening around the world. As energy is becoming a focus, as gold is becoming a focus, and digital assets, all three are becoming a major focus. Now, Flip the Chain put out Novati Group Limited CEO and Managing Director Peter Cook. We are building a multi-chain network with Stellar and Ripple. And he goes into why they have chosen, this is a huge corporation, right? Why they have chosen Ripple and Stellar. So I don't want people to get it twisted and think that Ripple and Stellar are competing. It's just not the case. In fact, they work with a lot of the same companies. This is not going to be a winner-take-all cryptocurrency market, in my personal opinion. Now, 99% of the coins and tokens out there that you see today, 5-10 years from now, will not be there. But with that, XRP and XLM that have already forged through all the hard, difficult times, created really great networks and platforms, and partnered with institutions, corporations, big financial institutions and countries, governments all over the world, they're going to be completely safe, in my personal opinion. Then, as per model, I've got a model on X. Again, give me a follow at moltmoney. XRP can either be held on ODL partner of the bank itself, there are 40 ODL partners across the globe and growing. Banks can skip ODL and hold XRP in the future, leading to scarcity of XRP. And so when we see big partnerships like what we just saw with Uphold, they're actually going to be buying XRP on the open market like you and I. What's that going to do to the supply and demand? A lot of demand, less supply. It only makes sense. It's been this way since the beginning of time. Supply and demand in any market, and cryptocurrency is no different. So we've got Uphold CEO actually coming out and opening regarding the deal of Ripple and why they decided to use XRP. They're not talking about retail, getting into this retail game. This guy's focus is institutional business, and he is saying that is going to be 100% their direction, is institutional business. Then lastly, like I said, Ripple and China working together. In forging ahead, central bank digital currency, PBOC, renders companies like Ripple, which uses its blockchain to facilitate cross-border transactions. Redundant intermediaries, can't say that word right now, right? For exchanges like RMB. And then if you go to Ripple and check out their documentation, boom, right under Bank of America is Bank of China, then Bank of Commerce, Bank of Florida, and so forth. But Bank of China is literally on their documents on ripple.com. You can check that, fact check me on that. Then Mr. Intuitive comes out and he says that oil money, big, huge deal is what we just recently got with the Dubai Financial Services Authority. And we've talked in a few different videos about how them approving XRP and the virtual asset regime is going to open up, just not helping them there in Dubai with licensed firms, but really all over the globe. There's a lot of connections here. Then again, lastly, like I said, we had a little bit of a rougher week towards the end in terms of prices, cryptocurrency prices. Now we see the market heating up. Now we start to see the SBF FUD going away. What do you think's happening this upcoming week? Let me know in your thoughts and your opinions on that one. I'm thinking we start to see the market move up. I don't think it's going to rip real hard and fast unless we get some great news like Bitcoin ETFs are approved or something like that. But we're moving into this bull run. There's no doubting in that, in my personal opinion. We're starting to see the coins and tokens that we like here start to move up. I couldn't be more happy. So let me know all your thoughts, your opinions, your comments, all that good stuff in the comment section. Don't forget to drop those X's. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you all in the next video.